Discover how multilateral service collaboration works based on asset administration shell informations and the usage of Factory X data spaces. Welcome to the TP 2.4 Condition Monitoring LED Services demonstrator. Open your asset inventory. Select a machine to view its details. View live machine status and key operational data. Open the AAS viewer to explore the digital twin. Expand the component hierarchy to understand the machine structure. Follow the link to access a component's digital twin. Explore the asset administration shell of the selected component. Browse detailed technical data for deeper insights. The digital nameplate provides all key component information. A detected issue in the health index triggers a service need. Create a service request and share it directly with the manufacturer. The service case is now handled by the manufacturer. The service request is received by the machine manufacturer. Open the service case overview. Select the newly created service case. Review the request and identify the affected component. Assign the request to the responsible partner. Forward the case to the component supplier. The case is now handled by the component supplier. The component supplier takes over the service request. Open the service case overview. Select the assigned service case. Request secure access to live machine data via the EDC. Initiate data access negotiation. Access to the shared digital twins is granted. Open the component's digital twin. Check the current health status. The component is back in normal condition. Close the service case. Add a final report to document the resolution. Confirm and close the service case. Multilateral service collaboration with secure data sharing is a reality. Thank you for watching the TP 2.4 Condition Monitoring demonstrator.